Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Happy New Year! Maybe some of my followers in my channel wonder why there are around more than a week I was not able to upload some new video tutorials in my channel. Well, the reason behind that because I have to take a break to be with my family, and then it is a Christmas vacation. There are so many parties, family reunions that I have to attended, and I want also to have time for myself. And then there's also the preparation for my comprehensive examination that took last week. I'm taking up Master in Information Technology at known as COST, Negros State College of Science, and Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology, in Barangay Old Sagay, Sagay City, Negros Occidental. So I'm taking up right now Master in Information Technology. So I have to review and study for the preparation for my compre or comprehensive examination. That's the reason why I was not able to create a video tutorial for several more than a week in my channel. But nevertheless, I try to catch up things up with several video tutorials right now this month of January 2020. I am very enthusiastic and very encouraged that my channel is gradually increasing in terms of subscriber. We have around now 75 subscriber, but it doesn't matter the number of subscriber. My main goal in creating my channel is to help to share whatever knowledge that I have to other people or beginners programmers that want to learn computer programming. So much for that. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple C program that will ask the user to give a series of numbers, and then our program will determine whether the given number is a palindrome or not a palindrome using C programming language. So if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. So I am here in my dev C++. So I will declare the variable first, sharp include stdio.h, sharp include stdlib, okay. While I'm writing the code, I will try my very best, guys, to explain the purpose of that particular code that I'm writing. So here, sharp includes stdio.h. In every C program, this library file is very important. Stdio means standard input output header file. It is also known as a library file in C language. Now, to give you an idea, guys, what is a library file? A library file is a pre-written code that adds functionality to our program. It is a part of our compiler. Now, STDI standard input output, we can use this one for printf and scanf for accepting input from the user. Basically, there's no C program can work without this library file. Every C program using this file. And then the second library file is stdlib h, standard library file. We will be using this library file, guys, to use the command pause in our DOS environment later on in our program. So here in main, the starting point of our program execution, begin, and then we have here int n equals 0, comma r equals 0, and then t equals 0. Now after that, we will have here print f, print \t number palindrome in C. This will be the title of our program. Double quotation, semicolon. We should copy this one, paste, printf, give a number. It will ask the user to give a series of a number. In this case, we are using integer. The integer data type, guys, refers to the whole number, negative number including 0. So next, scanf. Scanf for scanning for input, no, formatting. %d meaning decimal for integer. Ampersand n, variable n to be stored. T for temporary equals n, semicolon. Now in this portion we will using the while statement. While t not equal to 0, begin. R equals R asterisk 10, R equals R plus T asterisk 10, T equals T slash 10. Okay, so here we copy this one. I try to make our code simpler and easy to understand. If n equals R, begin. Printf the %d is a palindrome number. We try to move this one, comma n, else is not a palindrome. Printf okay, so here end of the program that tells the user that program has already ended. And now system pause, because if we are not using this command, we cannot see the output in the console when we run. Okay, so let me discuss first now the things that I have done in our code before we save and then test our program and run. So here I have here a series of library file and then variables. Here printf title of our program, number palindrome in C, and then this portion will ask the user to give a number. That given number that is integer will be stored in this variable n. So here t temporary n, and then we have here while t not equal to 0, so we have here a series of computation to check whether the given number is a palindrome or not. If n equals r, meaning they are the same, so it is true, so the given number is a palindrome. Let's say for example 11 is a palindrome, meaning when we read the number 1, 11, forward and backward they are the same. Else if it is false, it is not a palindrome. End of program, and then the pause. The system pause, we allow to use this command because of this library file. Without this tdlib, we cannot use this function. Okay, it will pause in our console. Later on we will see during the execution of our program. The next step that I will do is to save our work. Ctrl S. We will create a folder here, new folder. By this time we have here number palindrome. underscore palindrome dot c. Okay, so let us run, compile and run. Okay, so let's say for example 555, number palindrome in C, give a number 555. 555 is a palindrome. Now it is correct, but the problem is the formatting. So in order to fix, backslash t, and then compile and run. Let's say for example 888. 888 is a palindrome number, end of the program. When observe here, the press in a key here represent this command, system pause. So compile, run. Five six five six, give a number 5656. 5656 is not a palindrome. Another example of a number that is not a palindrome, 1878. 1878 is not a palindrome. So for the last time, we will run our program. 777. 777 is a palindrome. Here we go, guys. We have successfully write, test, and run our number palindrome in C programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial on how to create a number palindrome program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program check whether the given number by the user is palindrome or not. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.